All right, here we are underway with the new setup. And very much trying to learn how to drive with this Bowmount. So this is a really new thing for me, but things are a bit of a mess, of course, but I got my 3 batteries are actually using up there, and just because of lack of trust in anything, I brought to the other 2 batteries that I have just in case it gets stuck. You know, certainly you can call a neighbor, but don't want to have to do that. This stuff all mostly got knocked together last night. Got this is a boost controller, so it's currently, I just happen to still have the solar panels hooked up over here, so we're actually charging right now. So we are, it says we're charging at 1.6 amps, which seems pretty darn good to me. And this is set up so that I can, so that's charger, the middle here is battery, and then this is a monitor for the battery, and then that's the circuit breaker for the motor, and then the common ground for everything. So everything is running at 36 volts on here. The switch there lets me switch, so I can run, like right now I can charge and motor at the same time. I mostly just did this because, you know, it was like $1 more to get the 2A battery, or the 2A switch, so it's got 4 positions. But I can set it to where I'm only drawing motor off the battery or only charging solar and cut the motor off. So I think I'm going to use that position for kind of like a rudimentary key, so at least somebody can't just hop on and, you know, not understand how it works and take off. So I can just switch that to where it will charge the batteries, but the motor won't work. You know, you'd have to know to switch that and use my other super secret key. I am kind of bouncing all around right now because I'm still trying to figure out how to drive this thing. There's my 1 solar panel. You know, it's mostly a trickle charger for me, but here we are going. I cranked it up. We're at about 55 right now. Might crank it a little bit more, but I saw the voltage dropping. I'm not used to being able to watch the gauges, so that might be totally normal, just not used to it. So now it's dropped down, it's reading 35 volts. My batteries are a little questionable, but it certainly feels, I don't feel like I have less power than before, that's for sure. So now we're running at indicated 80, and I'll try to figure out some speeds and stuff here, but also need to make sure I don't hit anything.